Example 4.12. Two machines P and Q are used to produce battery charges. Machine P can produce 120 battery charges per hour, and for machine P, it operates for X hours per week. So 120 times X would be the number of battery charges produced by machine P in 1 week. And for machine Q, it operates for Y hours per week. And machine P can produce 60 battery charges per hour. So that would give us 60Y. And total, we need at least 3,000 battery charges. So we can add them up, and we need at least 3,000. That would give us the first constraint. Total operating time for the machines is at least 40 hours per week. Machine P operates for X hours. Machine Q operates for Y hours. So we need at least 40 hours per week. And again, X, Y cannot be negative. Of course, they can be zero, it's just that they cannot be negative. So we get these constraints on X and Y. Always remember to simplify these constraints. So we have the system of inequalities in part A. Part B, we want to draw and shade the region that satisfies the constraints. So again, we will be using the X and Y intercepts. For the straight line 2x plus y equals 50, y-intercept is 50 and x-intercept is 25. Let's draw the solid straight line. And since the inequality sign is greater than or equal to, we will be shading the upper half plane. Next, I have the straight line x plus y equals 40. X and y intercepts are both 40, so let's draw the solid straight line. And the inequality sign is greater than or equal to, so I have to shade the upper half plane. And of course, we have the two straight lines x equals 0 and y equals 0. Y equals 0 is the horizontal straight line, basically the x-axis. So I've added arrows as well. And finally, we have to look at the region that satisfies all the constraints. Note that this region is not part of the feasible solution. This one as well, not part of the feasible solution. So we can move on to part C. The cost of running machine P is $120 per hour, and that of machine Q is $100 per hour. We are going to let C dollars be the production cost, and we want to minimize the production cost. This time we can check the value of C at the 3 vertices. C attains its minimum at 1030. And the minimum value of C is 4,200. And machine P should be operated for 10 hours. And machine Q should be operated for 30 hours.